Hello everyone, this is Kathy. The client was asking a very good question. Kathy, microwave sensors actually is less used in the PII and because the signal can penetrate walls. Maybe I'm just walking at the rooms, however, the lights in the corridor is turning on. That is very good question. Microwave sensor that we means it is from the motion sensor, the 5.8 GHz radar sensor. Actually, for these motion sensors, most of the fault triggers problem, it can be solved if you just follow the installation guidelines. However, today I would like to introduce another method that is to use millimeter wave radar sensors. That is the 24 GHz, the presence sensors. It can detect your breathing. So it can solve the motion sensors problem. When I'm standing still, the light turn off. No, for presence sensor, when you're present, and then the lights and air conditioner will all follow you. So for the presence sensors, how can we solve for the false triggers problem? First of all, for the scenario the client was asking, we can use the radar sensor and we use the algorithm, and then can divide the radar sensor into two parts. The left part it detects for the long corridors, right? However, the right part, all the signal will just delete. So all the signal from the rooms will be not being detected because all the signals delete. So this is one method. Another one, mostly our radar sensor is in the installation height is 3 meters, and we can divide this 3 meter heights into 10 zones. For example, the fans, the air conditioner, mostly it is on the 2.5 meters high, and we can delete that zone signal. So we can solve this problem. Also, our radar sensors, it can to learn by itself. How we make it? If you want the radar sensor to learn by itself, everybody go outside. Just imagine right now it is a room, everybody go outside, and then you just turn on the button to have the self-learning. Okay, the radar is looking. Okay, right now nobody's here, but why this signal is turning on, then delete. Okay, after 5 minutes, several minutes of learning, the next time we're going inside, it will detect when you are present, and other signal it will just delete. So this is how we can solve for this problem. For the indoor application with our algorithm, and most of the problem can be solved. So I hope this video can help you to get more detail for the radar sensors. If you need more detail, please contact me. See you in the next video.